So just a update on the Ranger. If you guys look, y'all can see that we've actually moved the wastegate again. So the problem was is this fitting here would not clear the wastegate in any way. So I really don't like doing this. Once you start doing these types of things, you're going to start introducing creep and stuff like that. Right now we have a 7-pound spring, so hopefully it'll just hit 7 pounds and nothing more. But so we have that. We haven't made the dump yet, but it's also extremely close here. We're still missing the T here for the coolant lines for the heater core, but what we're going to do is we're probably going to snip it. We're going to basically cut this and then put the T's in, but what we're also going to do is we're probably going to shorten these. So we're going to try to shorten these to pull it out of the way of the wastegate and everything, because it's really close. Another thing that I don't really like is the wastegate is facing the I think this is the evaporator for the AC system, so we're gonna have a really hard time with doing the dump. But at this point, push comes to shove, it's not ideal, so we have to do what we got to do. Also, if you look over here, we've got a few things that we're going to be changing up, obviously. If you guys remember, I made this really shitty tap here to get vacuum for the ECU. We've got a vacuum block over there, nothing special, just like an Amazon cheapo one. And remember, you really don't want to put your wastegate here, vacuum here, but again, it's just one of those things, you know, you have to compromise, you know, push comes to shove. So we've got that in place there. That's just teed into the brake booster line. So if you look, there's 3 ports. That's blow-off valve, boost controller, and the DET3. So we've ordered some more fittings from Vibrant. These 20 AN fittings are no joke. I mean, these suckers are like $40 a pop, you know, $40 to $60 a pop. So, you know, I can't really just order a bunch of them and then stick them on. Anyways, so we've got straight 20 AN coming. Tomorrow, should be here tomorrow, so hopefully we can button this guy up and then actually finally get it started. But yeah, that's really about it.